Hey there, how are you? My name is Jorge Daniel, and in this video I will show you how to organize and declutter the related flyout menu in your Dynamics 365 and model-driven Power App. Odds are you have already clicked on related only to find it full of stuff you don't want and you don't need. Much like this one, right? But it doesn't have to be so. You can choose what options to show and even rearrange their order. From your solution, go to the table you want to work with and select Forms. Open your form, and once it loads, click on Related, from where you can go through the items and choose what to do. You can hide items. You can maybe rename items if it makes sense to you. I'll just hide this one as well, and maybe this one. And one other thing you can do is reorder items so the ones you care most about come first. So let's take support cases to here and service agreements to the second position. When you're done, save and publish. Now we may need to give it a moment. Bit longer. Okay, it's done. And now let's go back to our app and do a few refreshes here. There's one, another. Let's see, not yet. The one. Okay, and it's done. And now we have a much cleaner flyout with only the items we care about and one that doesn't overwhelm users. Very nice feature, right? So try this one out in your system and let me know how it went. See you soon!